This is my 4.3 V6 2001 Chevy Silverado. I've rebuilt the engine, the front suspension, rear suspension, rack and pinion, a lot of other stuff on it. Once I finished that project, I started with a camper shell, mainly so I can do millwright work, welding, doing shutdowns without having to pay so much money in motel fees and without having to carry a camper behind the back. I got 10 gallons of water on the top. That's what those tanks are. Take showers with. Got my battery bank, 400 amp hours. Got shore power charger right there in the bumper. I got a solar panel charger, which right now is putting out 17 amps to the battery. Can't see. Those are the tanks. My fan over there, solar panels. They're the flexible kind. If I can just glue them down. There's the compressor for compressing the water tanks and if my tires go flat or anything like that. Right now my project is pumping water all the way to the engine, make a, can't remember what it's called, but using the coolant in the engine to heat up the water. Got my inverter, some tools to work on the truck, stuff for the shower, bathing suit, some soap, and shower curtains. That's what these PVC pipes are for, these flag posts. They have a little bit of privacy if you take a shower. Got backup camera, light, AC unit, a smart TV where I can use my hotspot, a shotgun holder with my Benelli, a cooler, Magellan. It's hot out here right now, it's about 95 degrees. Got my trash can. My ammo box. Little tiny Derringer in that. Got a dehumidifier, a space heater. All my wiring back there to swap over from shore to battery power, which I gotta clean that up a little bit better. Ought to cut off my truck being up in here. The bed's memory foam. It's probably the most comfortable bed I've ever been on. Got a little old school bus fan. RV fan. The Fantastic fan or whatever it is. Right now I've got insulation board up on it. Kind of looks like a mess, but I'm going to be paneling it with some 1/4 inch plywood and have it stained and polyurethane. Up underneath the bed I've got some totes and some bags for clothing, some towels to take a shower with, all my storage and everything. The bed will flip up, but I don't have anything to attach to the roof where I can pull it all the way up and be able to get to everything a lot easier. Right now I'm just sliding stuff out. That's my food holder with snacks and everything like that. Right now my batteries are at 13.7, which is past full charge with everything running on it, but my truck's also cranked, so the alternator's helping with. I figured I can run my AC unit at 70 degrees all day and all night constantly with the solar panel as long as there's sun out. Sometimes I have to just hook up the shore power when I'm at the house. I got front and back steel custom bumpers. There's the backup camera, my front camera, CB radio.
5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-size hail.
My gun holder. $320,000 almost. I replaced the engine at 310. Well, I didn't replace it, I rebuilt it. The fuel gauge doesn't work and the oil gauge is a little iffy. I think it's just this cluster. The only thing the check engine light's on with is a fuel pressure sensor. Had the interiors redone. The seats wore completely out. Took the top off because it was kind of sagging. Got LED lights for the cab. I gotta replace this right here. The door's a little wore out. My front bumper with the backhoe spikes, backhoe teeth, rigid lights. All this wiring is to go back to my battery bank, that charger. I think that's about it. Thank you, and let me know if you want to see more.